Arterial es Alfonso Medina. ¿Qué es hipertensión arterial?
What is high blood pressure? The high blood pressure is an illness that commonly happens to all people, and it's calculated that 30% of people are hypertense. Around 900,000 people on the world are hypertensive, and it is responsible of 7 million deaths every year because of their complications. The high blood pressure refers to an issue in which the pressure is above the normal in the blood vessels. Comparing to a water tube, it is similar to what happens in an organism when the pressure is elevated. It's like if the tube with the water is also elevated, and the consequence of the illness is that the blood will reach a lot of organs with high pressure, provoking damage, in which we'll talk about later. Which are the complications of the high blood pressure? The complications of the high blood pressure can occur in the nervous system. It can provoke strokes, aneurysms, and some strokes. At the visual level, it could be also alterations because it can damage the eye, such as retinopathy. At cardiac level, there are many complications because, well, if the heart is the pump that pumps the blood, of course, if the pressure is high, that pump can fail, and there's a complication of insufficiency. There also could be damage on the valves and on the blood vessels connected to the lungs, and also it can provoke a heart attack. Another complications could be at the kidney level, because it's kind of a filter in which the blood passes by every minute, and it can be damaged if there's higher blood pressure in there. And there's another case of insufficiency, in this case renal insufficiency, and it ends on therapy of replacement or at renal transplant. There's also alterations at the blood vessels with a topic such as blood vessel cognitive illness. Well, also the meds are also required to cut the
¿Cuáles son los valores normales
which are
de
the
la presión
common
arterial?
values of the high blood pressure. The high blood pressure can be defined taking into account different terms, such as high blood pressure when the heart pumps the blood. The pressure is elevated to the highest pressure, and that's what we call the high blood pressure systolic. The other value about the high blood pressure is about the stomach blood pressure. in which the heart is relaxed and the circulation relaxes too after having received the bump of this blood. That second level of the high blood pressure is called high blood pressure diastolic. And so when we hear that a person has 180 and 110 of pressure and 80 of high blood pressure, the numbers have changed a long time, and nowadays it is considered a person hypersensitive when the high blood pressure historic is around 130 or the high blood pressure historic is 180. It is really important to take into account the high blood pressure to be persistent in time, because there are some situations in which the high blood pressure elevates temporarily, such as when someone has some pain, as example, but it does not become in a hypertensive person for life.
Son las causas de la hipertensión arterial?
Which are the causes of the high blood pressure? The causes of the high blood pressure depend on many factors. The first one and most important one is the age. Generally, the high blood pressure is an issue in people above 30 years old, and in those people, there's the 90%. The 90% of the cases, it is unknown the reason of the illness. Of course, there's an important role, such as heritage, such as overweight, also with inadequate nutrition, because they are usually obese, that consume a lot of salt, that can have associated illnesses such as diabetes. But in general, this kind of patients have no definite reason. It is really important to take into account the family factor, because a lot of people are hypertensive because their parents and brothers are too. In people below 33 years old, the causes for hypertensive are not that unknown, and there are many illnesses, such as renal insufficiency, such as endocrine illnesses, such as blood vessel illnesses, etc. Why is it so important to establish the causes of the high blood pressure? It is really important in patients below 35 years old to establish the cause of the high blood pressure, because you will have all your life, and as such, the treatment will require, as we say, 3 days after we die. So it is important that the patient knows if he has high blood pressure or if he doesn't, and the cause, because if the cause is known, it can be cured completely. Which are the symptoms of the high blood pressure? The symptoms of the high blood pressure may vary. Unfortunately, up to 50% of the patients do not have any symptom.
Y por ende en ellos la
And
única manera de
that's why
saber que
the
son
only
hipertensos
way to know
es
they are
tomando la presión
hypertensive
arterial.
is to measure the high
En
blood pressure.
algunos
In
pacientes
some
que
patients
son menos del
that are,
50%,
well, at
los
least less
síntomas
than
pueden ser
50%,
dolor de
the symptoms can
cabeza,
be headaches,
cabeza abombada,
the head with a bump,
mareos, palpitaciones,
palpitations,
oleadas de calor,
sweat,
asfixia con esfuerzos de mediana intensidad. Y
not
en
being able to
algunas
breathe,
personas puede
and in
haber
some
salida de
cases
sangre por la nariz,
there can
que
be
es lo que conocemos
blood
como
on the
el nombre
nose.
de epistaxis.
¿Cómo se diagnostica la hipertensión
How can high blood
arterial?
pressure be diagnosticated?
El diagnóstico de
The
la
diagnosis
hipertensión
of
arterial
the high blood pressure
requiere siempre, por
requires
supuesto, de la toma de
always,
la presión
of
arterial.
course, of the measurement of
Esa
this
toma de la
such.
presión arterial
This
se puede
measure
hacer de varias maneras.
can be made in many ways.
La primera
The
de
first one
ellas es en el
is
consultorio.
with the doctor.
La toma de la presión arterial en
The
el
measurement
consultorio
of
tiene
this high blood
muchas
pressure
variables.
may vary.
De hecho, se calcula que
Because
la tercera parte de los
the third
pacientes
part
que están en el
of the
consultorio
people
pueden tener
which are
hipertensión arterial
with the
sin
doctor
serlo.
can have it
Eso es lo que
without
hemos
having it.
llamado hipertensión de bata blanca.
It is called
Porque los pacientes
high blood
se
pressure
estresan
of
al momento de ir al
white,
consultorio,
because it's
donde el
when they go
médico
with the
y se
doctor,
les eleva la presión arterial.
because they
Hay
get
otro
elevated
grupo de
there.
pacientes, al contrario, que
And
en
there
el
are other
consultorio
patients
tienen la presión normal,
that they have
pero el
normal
resto del
high
día
blood
pueden
pressure with the
estar
doctor,
hipertensos.
but the rest
Eso
of the
se ha
day
llamado
they have high
la
blood pressure.
hipertensión arterial
Those are called
enmascarada.
high blood pressure mask.
Entonces la toma de la presión
So
arterial
this
en el
measurement
consultorio es una ayuda, pero no es definitiva.
is helpful,
Lo
but it's not
segundo es la
definitive.
toma de la presión
The second way
arterial
of
que hemos
of
hecho de
measure
manera tradicional
is the
durante
traditional
3
way.
días distintos,
After 3
con el
different
paciente
days,
asistiendo a una
with the
institución de
patient
salud,
assisting
y se
and
le toma
hospital,
la
for example,
presión a horas
the,
distintas en diferentes
in different
posiciones.
times, in different
Pero
positions.
también se presta
But
para
also,
el tema de la hipertensión de bata blanca.
we also could have
También
the
se puede hacer
high
las
blood
tomas de
pressure,
la
well high
presión
blood pressure.
arterial en casa,
Also,
lo
we can
cual
take
hoy
it
en
at
día es
home,
un método muy
which
socorrido.
is really good.
Afortunadamente,
Fortunately,
muchos pacientes pueden
many
tener acceso
people
a
have
este
access
medio
to this
con el
help
equipo de toma de presión
with
arterial
the
en casa domiciliario.
at home.
Deben ser equipos que
It must be
estén
equipment
bien
well
certificados,
certificated,
y cuando se hacen esas
and
tomas de
when
presión
those
arterial
measurements
en la
are
casa,
made at home,
se deben tener condiciones
there must
especiales
be
como de
special conditions
reposo previo,
such as
no tener ganas de
before
orinar
rest,
ni de
no
defecar,
having
no haber fumado ni tomado
wanted to
tinto en la
pee,
media hora
don't smoke,
precedente, y tomarlo siempre en el brazo.
and take
Los
it always
equipos
on
que toman la
the
presión
hand.
arterial en la muñeca
The people who take it on
no
their
son
wrist
de ninguna utilidad para el
have
diagnóstico
no
de la
use for the
hipertensión
diagnosis of the high
arterial.
blood pressure.
Los equipos se deben poner en el brazo,
It must
y
be
el brazo
used in
debe
the
estar
arm
desnudo,
without
no por
clothes.
encima de la ropa.
Yeah, without
Cuando
clothes.
se tome la presión arterial,
When
se debe tener
the
el
high blood pressure
brazo
is measured,
apoyado en casa, y se
the
debe
arm must
tomar 2
be
o 3
resting,
veces la presión con el mismo equipo,
and it must
y
be taken
debe
3 times with the same
escogerse la
equipment.
mejor de ellas.
And
De
you
esos
must
equipos que
select
se
the best
tienen
one.
en casa es muy
The equipment at
importante
home
estar pendientes
must be checked,
que los tengamos
and we must be aware of
porque muchos de
the
esos equipos se descalibran,
that if
y
they
la
work,
descalibración
because
nos puede dar
they
errores en la
might
toma
get
de la presión
wrong
arterial.
lectures.
Finalmente, la
Finally,
manera más práctica que
the-
hemos venido utilizando
the
para
easiest
la toma
way
de la presión
to take
arterial
the blood pressure
son los
to
equipos
measure
de monitoreo
is the-
ambulatorio de presión arterial de
is
24 horas.
with the equipment of
Porque
24 hours,
esos
because
equipos
those
nos
equipments
permiten tomar
allow
la
us to
presión
take the pressure
durante todo el día
around the whole
en
day
el paciente que esté
in the
haciendo
patient
su vida y su actividad común y
that
corriente,
is making a daily routine, and you can take the measure the high blood pressure during the day or night, and this modern equipment helps us to establish if this high blood pressure is because of the patient's blood volume, or because the volume of the blood is high, or also because of the blood vessels are with amelioration of the diameter, not allowing the blood pass through them. These equipment are called MAPA, are today the best method to prove the diagnosis of the high blood pressure.
¿Cómo es el tratamiento de la hipertensión
How do we
arterial?
treat the high blood pressure?
El tratamiento de la hipertensión
Well,
arterial
the high blood pressure treatment will depend
principalmente
mainly
de la causa de la
on the
misma.
cause of the
Tenemos
illness.
un par de medidas
We have
que se hacen,
a
que son
couple
las
of
medidas
measures,
no farmacológicas.
like the ones
Y las
that use
medidas
no drugs and the ones that use drugs.
Las medidas no
The ones that
farmacológicas que
they
pueden
use
ser
no
útiles
drugs
para
that can be
hipertensos leves
useful for high
incluyen
blood pressure.
el tratar
include
de hacer actividad física,
try
el
to
ejercicio
exercise
que se debe hacer
that must be
debe
done
ser de por lo menos 150
at
minutos
least
por semana.
150 minutes
Bien
per
sean 3
week
tandas de 50 minutos
and
o
3
5 de
repetitions
30
of 5 minutes or 5 of
y
30
debe
minutes,
ser ejercicio aeróbico o
and
cardio.
it must be aerobic exercise.
Además es importante
And it is also
el control
important
alimenticio,
to control
disminuir la
the
ingesta
nutrition,
de sal,
to lower
controlar la ingesta de grasa,
to lower your
disminuir la ingesta de alcohol
digest
y de
of salt,
cafeína y evitar
coffee,
el abuso
alcohol,
de otras
and do not
bebidas
abuse
energizantes muy
energetic
comunes en nuestro
drinks.
medio. Igualmente debe disminuirse o abolirse
We
el
should
consumo de
eradicate
tabaco.
smoking.
Las medidas farmacológicas
The measures that use
incluyen
drugs
una serie de medicamentos
use different
que son del resorte
drugs,
del médico, que incluyen
such
el
as-
uso de medicamentos que son útiles para disminuir,
those that are
si es
useful
el caso de que
to
esté
help
aumentado
us with the high
el
blood pressure,
gasto cardíaco, la
to lower
frecuencia cardíaca,
the cardiac
o
frequency,
para relajar los
or
vasos
to relax the
sanguíneos
blood vessels,
utilizando los
using
vasodilatadores. Son
the
un grupo de medicamentos que muchos
clear group of
pacientes
drugs
utilizan.
that many people
Hay que
use.
tener en cuenta que
We have to take into
muchas
account that
veces no
many-
es suficiente un
many
solo
times it is not
medicamento para el control de la
well,
hipertensión
good to have only one
arterial,
drug
sino que
with
se
for the high
requieren
blood pressure.
varios medicamentos,
So we need many of
hasta
them,
2 o 3
many
medicamentos.
at least 3 or 2,
Procuramos que esos
We also
medicamentos sean de
procure
dosis única
to have
para que de esa manera el
one
paciente
time
se adhiera más fácil a
drugs
la terapia
so that
y la
the
cumpla.
patient can
En la escogencia
fulfill
del
the therapy.
medicamento, el médico debe tener en
The
cuenta
doctor has to
muchos
take into
factores
account
como
many
la
factors
edad,
such
la
as age,
raza, las
race,
enfermedades concomitantes, por ejemplo
the
la
illnesses that
diabetes,
you may acquire,
etc.
etc.
Para ampliar la información sobre
To expand
hipertensión
the information
arterial,
of high blood pressure,
visítenos en
visit in
www.clinicadelcampestre.com.
cliniccampestre.com. Después de haber terminado la grabación, la verdad me siento inconforme con el resultado porque como fue de golpe, chequé muy poco vocabulario, la verdad me agarró de bajada. Tiene que ver con que es tecnicismo. Y pues sí, se me hizo muy complicado, sin embargo, pues es importante tener en cuenta todo esto para cuando se haga una interpretación, ¿no? Investigarse bien, hacer un glosario como comentó, y realmente procuraré mejorar en ese aspecto. Muchas gracias.